by the lake. R is for rocket, zooming in its wake. S is for snail, who takes it slow. T is for tickles that make us glow. U is for unicorn, sparkly and rare. V is for volcano, bubbling in the air. W is for wobble like jelly on a plate. X is for X-ray, which looks so great.